Hey, this is Mike with Jane Reviews. Today I'm reviewing these really nice shoes from Bruno Marc. Thank you so much for the sample. This was sent by them. So this is the box. This is how it looks inside, just a standard shoe box. Also comes with these nice shoelaces that you can swap out on the shoes. So this is what they look like. So this is the black color. This is the 9.5. They're comfortable. They do fit me a little bit big, but very, very, they're it's fine. It's not like a big deal. They also have these small little dots here that helps it be breathable. They're Oxford shoes. They're also shock absorbed, and I like that this part of the shoe is pretty thick, so that's how it has that shock absorb. So normally Oxford shoes they don't have like this extra. So sometimes they don't have this like so thick, so it keeps it um, very nice. This is what it looks like on the bottom. So, and also the other one. Now I'm going to stand up. I'll show you how they look around the sides. So this is how it looks in the back, on the side here. So again, very comfortable. Let me show you what it looks like inside because it does have some color. So you can see. That's what it looks like on the inside. It has this little orange color here. So it's pretty nice. And with the logo of the brand. So hope you check them out. Hope you like them. They have other colors. They have other sizes as well that you might be interested in. So again, thank you so much, Bruno Marc, and hope the review is great.